Photoshop 2024 comes with a great new gradient feature, stripes. Go over here to the gradient tool, select that, go up here and you've got gradient, classic gradient. I'm just going to go with the basic gradient. Then you can select a gradient here, and in this you've got all the different gradients, but along the end you've got method. You've got perceptual, linear, classic, smooth, as well as stripes. So let's just apply it. This is just a basic gradient design, and you can see what happens. You get this lovely sharp-edged design. If I go up here and I set it to perceptual, that's what you get. If you go for linear, you get that. You also get, with stripes, you get that. Now you can use it with all kinds of different gradients. Maybe go with rainbow one, and you can see the effect there. And you can move that around, reposition it, and do much, much more. But you can also use this feature with shapes. So let's just go over here, and I'm going to use the rectangle tool. Doesn't have to be a rectangle, it could be a custom shape, etc. But use the rectangle tool, makes it its shape, and then in here, the fill, click here, go down the bottom, make certain that the method is set to stripes. And I'm using this very colourful one. If I go to perceptual, you can see what it normally is. It's lovely blue all the way through to green. But this time, I'm using it linear. You can use it, of course, with any of the various options. But you can go with stripes. And then you'll see it very nicely discrete. So you've got blue all the way through to green again. Now if I apply it, let's just create it, and you can see the result of that. Now, of course, what you can also do is you can combine it. You can apply all kinds of different effects. Also, you can add opacity to it. And I'm going to do a video on that later. Well, what you can also do is go to Layer and down to Smart Objects and convert to Smart Object. So once you've got that, you've got your Smart Object, and then you can manipulate this using filters. So Filter, go down to Distort, Wave, and you could, of course, use all kinds of other ones as well. Go with Wave, and Wave, I can set the number of waves to 1. I can change the amplitude and wavelength, and then click OK, and you can see the result of that. You get this lovely wavy rainbow design very quickly in Photoshop. And of course you can do this with other gradients. So let's just go and create another. Let's just go for an ellipse this time. Create that. Again, the key thing is it needs to be a shape. Click the fill, and then select maybe a different gradient. You can see all gradients here. Maybe select this one, and you can see a different result there. So all kinds of different designs can be created very quickly using this approach. So select that one, say. Once you've done that, Layer, go to Smart Objects, convert to Smart Object. And then you can apply other ones as well. So let's just go with the Move tool, move that around, go to Filter, maybe go down to Distort, and use Twirl this time. So twirl, and then just twirl that, and you can create something like that very quick and easy in Photoshop 2024. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Always add new tutorials all the time about Photoshop 2024, as well as Affinity Photo and many others. Bye.